Hello and welcome to another cool smartphone video. Today we're going to have a look at the Wishbone Smart Thermometer and the app interface for it. So I've got it set up here on my Sony Xperia Z3, and I have next to this I have a very hot cup of water that's just come out of a kettle. So you can see here that on the start screen we have three different options. We have the option for object temperature, not that one. Sorry, I've just clicked on body temp, but we've got object temperature here, which will measure the temperature of various different things, including liquid. So we'll just set that there. We've also got ambient temperature, which will give you a readout of your ambient. And then, last but not least, you've got your body temp. Now, the astute of you may have noticed there's a wee picture of a cat and a dog down here. That actually gives you the temperature for your cat and dog as well. And the same rules apply when measuring body temperature as they do for cat and dog. So what we're going to do here is, first things first, we're going to actually measure the ambient temperature. Now, all of these measurements are done by this little gizmo up here. That is your sensor at the top. It's an infrared sensor, and it's powered by two batteries that are in there. And that just goes into your 3.5mm headphone jack, like so. So we'll plug that bad boy in. Sorry, I'm having to do this one-handed, so I apologise for that. You'll notice now that it's gone green. When it goes green, that means it's ready to go. So let's just measure the ambient temperature of this room. Should hopefully be in the high 20s. There we go, 27.9. Not too bad. I'm now going to go back and I'm going to see how accurate it is by measuring a known quantity. So I know that this water is going to be over 60 degrees in temperature. So let's just have a little look, and we just simply press the button, hold it there for a couple of seconds. Okay, we'll do another reading. There we go, 64.3 degrees C, and let's just do a third just to rule out the laws of averages. 61.7. So the average temperature there is going to be around about 59, 60. Okay. And last but not least, I'm going to try and do this. I'm going to try and measure body temperature. Now, when doing body temperature, it does recommend that you have your body that you're trying to measure the temperature of no further away than 4 to 3 centimeters. So the only way I'm going to be able to do this is actually to measure my own body temperature and then bring it back into shot. So give me 2 seconds while I do that. And there we go. So you can see there that my own body temperature at the moment is 36.7. So good news, I don't have a fever, I'm not dying of some horrible disease. Okay, so that is a very brief overview. Just before I leave, actually, there's one last thing. You can save these. So if you do decide to save them, then that will allow you to track temperature of subject. So, for example, if it's your son or daughter, and you think they've got a temperature, you can then track them over a period of time. And you also get these handy little graphs as well, which will give you their temperature readout. You could even go as far as sharing it if you want to. I can't imagine why you'd want to do that, though. So there you go. Very brief overview of what this device can do. And for anyone with young children, I would thoroughly recommend it.